Assalamu alaikum to all. Today we are going to talk about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras, basically it is the name of the scientist who invented a theorem about a right angle triangle. Basically this is the fundamental theorem of the geometry, explain the relationship between the length of the right angle triangle. Now what do we mean by right angle triangle? Right angle triangle, as we know that ऐसा triangle जिसका एक एंगल क्या हो 90 डिग्री formed हो. So as this is the as you can see this is 90 डिग्री एंगल, और जो तो इसलिए ये कौन सा एंगल है? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. ठीक है, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल के 3 साइड्स होते हैं और इन तीनों के नेम होते हैं. वो लाइन जो 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाती है उस लाइन को हम कहते हैं परपेंडिकुलर, और परपेंडिकुलर के बिल्कुल जो सामने लाइन होती है उसको हम कहते हैं हाइपोटेनियस. द लाइन विच ज्वाइंस परपेंडिकुलर एंड हाइपोटेनियस इज कॉल्ड बेस. ठीक है, जो परपेंडिकुलर और हाइपोटेनियस को ज्वाइन करती है उसको हम बेस कहते हैं. Now what he told about Pythagoras theorem, basically the statement of this, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So now to prove this theorem better, let's take an example. Suppose this measurement meter, this length will be 3 meter और हम इस length को ले लेते हैं कि ये है 4 meter. So now what is Pythagoras theorem? As we have discussed this, the square of the length of the hypotenuse must be equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. So let's prove this. Okay, as we know, as in the given figure, the length of the hypotenuse is 5 meter. So square of 5 meter will be 25 meter square. Okay, so now we have to prove the other side, which is square of the sum of the other two side, means square of the sum of perpendicular and base. So as the perpendicular is 3 meter and the value of base is 4 meter, so we have to square of the sum of these two measurements. So 3 meter square plus 4 meter square become 9 meter square plus 16 meter square, and then when you add 9 meter plus 16, so it becomes 25 meter square. So here we have proved this theorem, and that is what Pythagoras said. So in general we can say that hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, and keep in your mind this will be only applied in right angle triangle. अगर हमारे पास right angle triangle नहीं होगा तो ये theorem हम apply नहीं कर सकते. So now can you tell me which one is the right angle triangle among all these triangle? So with the help of Pythagoras theorem we can find the length of any side of the right angle triangle when we have the length of the other two sides. So here we have an example. Okay, so side AB is 6 centimeter and side AC is 2 centimeter, and we have to find the unknown side. As we know, this is the length of perpendicular. Opposite of perpendicular is hypotenuse, and the line which join perpendicular and hypotenuse is base. And in this case, we have to find the length of hypotenuse. So what we need to do, we will just simply use this theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Simply substitute the given values. H square equal to 6 meter square plus 2 meter square. H square is equal to 36 meter square plus 4 meter square. H square is equal to 36 plus 4 meter square is equal to 40 meter square. Or now we have to remove the square. So for removing the square we have to take square on both sides, square root on both sides, and the square root of 40 is 2 root of 10, which is the required solution. So इस तरह हमने hypotenuse की value find out कर ली. Now hope you understand what is Pythagoras theorem and how to find the unknown side by using the Pythagoras theorem. Let me recall, वो लाइन जहाँ 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है उसको हम कहते हैं परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. परपेंडिकुलर के बिल्कुल सामने जो लाइन होती है उसको हम कहते हैं हाइपोटेनियस, और वी कैन से अपोजिट टू परपेंडिकुलर इज कॉल्ड हाइपोटेनियस, एंड अ लाइन दैट ज्वाइन परपेंडिकुलर हाइपोटेनियस उसको हम कहते हैं बेस. बाय यूजिंग दिस Pythagoras theorem वी कैन ईजिली फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ अननोन साइड. ओके, सो और पैथागोरस ने क्या कहा है कि अगर हायर इक्वल होता है परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर, which we have already proved this. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.